Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be cooking carrots in the air fryer. Let's begin. We'll prepare the seasoning first. We'll need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and lastly 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Take everything and stir it all around. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. We're going to put that to the side. We'll need some carrot chips. We're using the organic version. And I already have some in a bowl. We're going to add some olive oil to the carrots. We're just going to pour some out just to coat the carrots. There we go. We're going to mix it all around. Okay, the carrots are nicely coated with some olive oil. Next, we're going to take some of the prepared seasoning and sprinkle it on top. And mix it all around. Just like that. Add some more. Go. We're going to add just a little bit more. Looking good. They're nicely seasoned. This is what it looks like before you put it in. And now let's open up the air fryer. For this video, we're only making the first batch. There we go. Looking good. They're nicely spread out. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. And now let's toss them around a little bit. There we go. Try to spread them out. Looking good. They're nicely spread out. And now let's put it back in for the last 6 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 12 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer carrots. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.